Oh man, I don't know if you can see, but the train just goes on forever that direction.
They are staged and ready to deliver.
Yeah, they
kind
are.
of full of wood.
Ooh,
Full of
man.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, let's see what we got on this side. Choo-choos.
We got some down here. I see some engines. Lots of wood here on the right.
Nice. Beautiful clouds, a little bit of blue sky in there. Some sunshiny day. With some clouds.
I see tutus.
Woohoo! Where are they? Oh, way over there. I like the trees. Seeing some herd trees.
Can you believe I see some engines coming this way, pulling some stuff?
Oh, right on, yeah. I'm seeing
Oh,
it.
no, looks like they're heading to go get somebody. We got 3 engines there.
Oh, yeah.
4 engines.
I think
I'm driving. That's
3.
3.
3. Train engine. All right. This is awesome. Got ourselves here some choo-choos. For all you rail fans. Sometimes it's peaceful to just sit here and watch it.
Luckily, we get people pulling out doing 35 and a 55, so I can slow down and see some more trains.
Yay!
Thanks, you awesome Oregon drivers.
Yeah, right. Uh-oh. I was focusing on a raindrop. Sorry about that. Is it raining?
Nothing on the windshield yet. It looks like it could be over there somewhere.
Interesting.
Yeah, they're staging a lot of empty ones, so I guess they're doing the empty ones down here today, and the full ones at the other end.
I see. That's a smart plan, man. Utilize that train yard. I don't think I've ever seen it this full this long. It's going all the way down.
Yeah, they got a lot of empties.
Yeah.
All right, what do we got going on over here? A little bit of work crews.
Looks like it.
We're looking for some hobos.
Oh yeah, I see a couple vehicles.
And it looks like, seeing that we're getting down towards downtown, the train's got to end because they'd be blocking all the streets.
Exactly. So,
and
looks like
4, 3, 2. I think this guy's moving. Is he inching?
maybe.
Yeah.
Well,
There, that's it.
hope you had fun watching it, folks. Thanks very much, and y'all have a good day. See ya.